other side it was impossible. Today it's the 9th of July 2021. Here's Kastelholmantie. Kastelholmantie 3 to 4, but this is building 3 and staircase 8. The first staircase is the residential building that we're going to assign to. There are 4 staircases here that we have to get into, but not the last one, not the staircase ES, it's modernized engineering, but 4 of them are still original. So we have still the staircases B, C and D on this side that we need to get into still. This one was also built in 1963 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 55 years old in 2018. This year number is VS306. It's going to be inspected in 2023, but it will also be 60 years old. Capacity 3% of partners. So now let's ride it. Amazing. And fast.
Yeah.
All of them are fast. I didn't know that in the building 3 they are also here on this side.
Yeah.
Fast. Same as on building 4.
Yeah.
I love the sounds and the smell here.
Same here.
And yes, also this is in Itäkeskus, Östracentrum, Helsinki, for Finland. And of course, no memory.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just as the ground and basement for it's combined.
Yeah.
Yeah, but more street level probably got it also.
Yeah. They are mostly combined. Also B is combined. Basement and ground floor, or in most buildings.
Yeah, very often.
Yeah.
A second silent ride.
Piippaakivais, mutta mä teen pääs pois. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. And now we are going to try to get the stakes C and D here also.
That's